So Ty has helped our business today by being a constant partner and changing the different functions of the system itself to allow our people to do their jobs in a better manner. Whether that's changing keystrokes or making it easier for us to access different parts of the system in a way that's logical. It's all about saving time and becoming more efficient. Every time that we go through a new release cycle, there's one that comes out about every 6 weeks. There's always something new in there that they're able to use. Our salespeople love the different things that they're able to sell back then as value adds to their customers. So anytime that our salespeople have an additional new thing that they can talk about to their customers, obviously that's something that they just love, because it means more revenue coming in the door for them. But our back-end people too, they also get the same benefits. If our track and trace person has to make 1 or 2 less calls because we found a way to automate information between the carriers, that's a huge win for them too. So it feels like every 6 weeks there's something new, and a new Christmas present underneath the tree that they're able to use. The biggest business problems that Ty is solving for us, I think, comes down to efficiency. From the TMS system, every transportation company is going to use it a little bit differently. They all have different workflows. But what you're really trying to accomplish is we're trying to do the same work, but using less steps. So reducing keystrokes, trying to find ways to make sure that the system walks you through in the right order. It's not at all confusing how to move through the system. The logic of the life cycle of a load, as we call it, makes perfect sense. So when I'm finishing up on one screen, I'm going right into the next one, and it's logical. So I think that's the most important part about how a TMS system is going to help us out. Ty has helped us grow our business by being a partner with us and helping us to develop new parts of the TMS system and then sell that back to our customers. When we first started using Ty, we didn't have a carrier sales program. The way that we were able to use the truckload quoting screen and the integrations they put in place has allowed us to build a carrier sales program that was going to be efficient and work inside of our model. It's also helped us grow our business from a sales perspective because we have tools that we never had before that we can go back and show our customers new pieces of information. We've used them in the value props we've put out for our sales guys as brand new separations for us compared to other brokerages. And without Ty, we don't have the ability to report that information back. So whether it's helping us to create new departments that help us with our efficiency or actually driving revenue, they've been helping us along the way to create new parts of the TMS system to move our company forward. Our operation is made easier and better inside of Ty because of the fact that we are more efficient. It's all about efficiency. So when our guys are going and they're trying to cover a load, they're not having to search for repeat carriers. It's all presented directly to them inside of the truckload quoting screen. Whenever our track and trace team is going to make their tracking calls, they're not even having to open up the load to get the information for the dispatcher. It's in a little information bubble right there for them so they can buzz right down a list of the calls they need to make. If we need to get things posted on the load board, we're able to go ahead and click them really quickly, get them out on the load board on the same screen we're looking to source capacity from. So all of the system is efficient, it's all making sense, and it even comes down to small little automations for things you sometimes wouldn't think about. We send out a rate confirmation and we have the ability to have the carrier confirm the dispatcher's name, the dispatcher's number, driver's name, driver's number, and kick the load into a new status in the system, all without our guys having to do any work. We've saved ourselves all those steps, and we've made sure the information inside of there is accurate, so we have better trust in the data. Those little things go a long way to helping our guys because we're turning over so many loads. We need to pick up little keystrokes here and there, and Ty helps us do that.